He was here. She felt the rocking chair rock in motion, the way he would rock it. Everything had his imprint on it. The room reverberated with his voice, that soft, deep, measured tone that made its way into the deepest recesses of her heart. Eliza, and then that burst of spontaneous laughter. Everything was alive in that room. Illusion and reality became one in her mind, encircling her and enveloping her in its embrace. She turned and looked at the dressing table. Judith was still talking. She stood opposite the dressing table mirror. An image flashed in her mind. She suddenly saw someone in the mirror. Beads of perspiration rolled down her neck. I'll give Eliza joy. Then eternity. She spun around to face Judith. Her lips were quivering. She looked at Judith for a long time. Then she swung open the door and staggered out.